This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough.
Starting with pricing, efileMagic operates on a fully transactional, pay-as-you-go pricing model with no mandatory annual subscription. Users are charged based on the exact number of forms filed, the form type selected, and which optional services are enabled. Pricing updates in real time as quantities change, making cost visibility very clear before submission. Businesses can choose federal e-file only, combined federal and state filing, print and mail services, tin matching or Excel-based filing, and each option adjusts the total instantly. Per form pricing decreases as volume increases, so larger batches become progressively more cost efficient. Optional add-ons such as print and mail fulfillment, tin matching to reduce IRS penalties, USPS address validation, and e-file by Excel are priced separately, allowing precise control over spend. This structure works well for users who want flexibility, transparent pricing, and no long-term commitment, especially for seasonal or fluctuating filing volumes, where fixed subscriptions would be inefficient. In comparison, efile.com uses a traditional tiered pricing model aimed primarily at individual tax filers. Users select a federal filing package such as free, deluxe, or premium, with pricing increasing based on tax complexity, income type, and support level. While federal filing may be free at the entry level, state filing typically incurs an additional charge, and more advanced features like itemized deductions, business income, or audit assistance require paid tiers. Discounts and coupons are sometimes available, but pricing is less granular and not designed for high volume or multi-form business filing. This makes efile.com more predictable for individuals, but less flexible for organizations handling multiple returns or repeat filings. Moving into features, efileMagic supports a broad range of compliance forms, including the full 1099 series, W2, W2C, 1098, 1099 LTC 5498, ESA, ACA, 1094 and 1095, and supported state filings. The platform includes secure IRS e-file, encrypted PDF delivery, recipient electronic access, bulk filing tools, and built-in validation checks to reduce rejection risk. Users can import data directly from Excel or QuickBooks, manage multiple filers and recipients under one account, and track submission status across filing seasons. Additional features such as correction handling, reprints, and multi-year filing support help reduce operational friction during peak deadlines. Security is a strong focus, with AES-256 encryption, controlled access, and compliant document handling built into the workflow. Looking at pros and cons, efileMagic's biggest strength is cost control. Businesses only pay for what they file. Volume discounts reward scale, and Excel-based workflows make bulk uploads efficient for accountants and payroll teams. Validation tools help minimize corrections and penalties, which can significantly reduce downstream costs. The trade-off is that enterprise-level reporting, workflow automation, and guided compliance assistance are limited, meaning users must already understand filing rules, deadlines, and form selection without built-in advisory support, particularly when managing complex or multi-state filing scenarios. Switching to efile.com, this platform is designed primarily for individual taxpayers rather than business or bulk filers. efile.com focuses on personal income tax returns and supports common filing scenarios such as W-2 income, dependents, itemized deductions, retirement income, and basic self-employment situations. The software guides users step by step through the filing process, asking structured questions and automatically populating forms behind the scenes. Features include free federal e-filing at the basic level, guided deductions and credits, refund tracking, error checks, and optional phone or online support depending on the plan selected. Higher tier packages add support for business income, investment reporting, expanded credit schedules, and additional customer assistance for more complex personal tax situations. efile.com's biggest advantage is accessibility. The interface is beginner-friendly, the workflow is highly guided, and users do not need prior tax knowledge to complete a return. The platform is well suited for individuals who file once per year and want a simple interview-style experience with minimal manual input. However, it is not built for information return filing, payroll reporting, or multi-recipient workflows. There are no bulk upload tools, no Excel-based filing, and no support for large volumes of 1099s or W-2s. State filing fees, premium upgrades, and add-on support can also increase total cost quickly compared to the advertised entry pricing. From a pros and cons perspective, efile.com excels at simplicity and guided filing. It is easy to use, clearly structured, and appropriate for straightforward personal tax situations. The downside is scalability. It does not support business compliance workflows, batch processing, or operational filing efficiency, making it unsuitable for accountants, payroll teams, or companies with recurring or multi-entity reporting needs. Now let's talk ratings. efileMagic currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars, based on a large volume of reviews, indicating strong satisfaction with pricing transparency, reliability, and Excel-friendly workflows for business filings. efile.com holds a Trustpilot rating of around 4.3 out of 5 stars, based on several hundred reviews, reflecting generally positive feedback from individual filers, with common praise for ease of use and criticism occasionally tied to upsells or state filing costs. As always, ratings should be viewed in context and are not guarantees of individual outcomes. Final takeaway: if you need flexible, per-form pricing, bulk filing tools, Excel-based uploads, and business-ready compliance workflows, efileMagic is the stronger choice for operational efficiency. If you're an individual filer looking for guided personal tax preparation with minimal setup and no accounting background, efile.com may be sufficient. Your decision ultimately comes down to filing volume, complexity, and whether you value operational control or guided simplicity. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more in-depth software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore both platforms and choose the one that fits your filing workflow best.